where we can buy things for the kids. Just obtain. In central of your guy today who's going to things for the poor.
Rice, sugar.
There's 25 kilos, these are 50. Emre. Here we get the beans. You give beans and give him some sugar.
Kan jeg holde?
Damn, det føles meget rart. Det er lidt rart. Absurd billigt.
Ja.
Det er 250 kroner og for 25 kilo ris. Ikke sådan. I don't know Arabic. Så hvad? Elif det er også det. Ja, jeg var der. Jeg kan lige sige sådan her, så small children. Pencils. Okay. Talishka, football player, Rabacha. Only one. Okay. So this trip was actually my wife's idea. So all credits goes to my wife. Mashallah, brother. Buying to the children now.
Nataka picha.
Okay. Pineapple. Pencil sharpener. Doing a very tough.
Thank you.
Oh, thought it was locked.
Jambo. No, yani kama hivi kuanne.
Oil for cooking and some sugar.
Hivi hapa naweza kupatia. Haya bali kuangalia.
You made good sale.
No English, only Swahili.
Ina kila moja.
Good pesa musungu.
No discount.
Why no discount?
Hakuna matata. My name is Ali. Emre. Muslim. Mashallah. Karibu Zanzibar. Hakuna matata sana.
Thank you. Asante sana.
Oh, asante.
All good, alhamdulillah. Wait.
All right, I think we're. On the third, buy more rice. Well, okay. So one.
Welcome.
Hello, thank you.
Hello.
This
village is Kisongoni.
Denmark.
Welcome.
Thank you. All right, so this is yeah, slowly. Thank you.
Okay. This is my house. Cooking here.
Yeah, we make ourselves. Thank you. Loads of corn. Yes. All right. Mint. Storage. 10 people
This here and this one. We put it down.
in tin roof. What's your name? Sel. Slowly. Yes. I'm way too big.
Also we have this is made from.
How many houses are? They are blocking the way. Here come. Silly sounding. What do you work with?
Only this one. Some bananas. Sell, you get some money.
This is a mango tree. This is orange tree. Jumbo. This is whatever I'm handed, I like to eat. Oh yeah, it's very brown.
Ready to be black. So black.
Yeah, very nice. This is very nice. What is this big tree here? This mango. Wow, it's gigantic. Well, if you could. Yeah, it's too long.
Hvordan føles det?
Nice and refreshing. This is very nice. Yeah. Nice. Wow. Very nice.
Let's go.
Strong like ox. They bought all the.
You take children to the madrasa and you give them some zoo, books, pen and pencil.
She will give other record.
Nakuja kulia kozi ile ukasema kule kwa nimekupiga.
This one for you. For you.
Thank you.
Of course. Yeah, how do you? It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's very tasty. Edwin. Sali. Sali. Good to meet you. What's your name? Abdullahi. Jambo. Mambo. Jambo Mambo. Oh. You like Al Hilal? Yeah. You know any players from Al Hilal? What player do you know? Football player. What football player you know? You don't know English. No English. So now, all the children got pincead rice. You come many times here?
This is my third time.
Third time. How about you? Third time. Wow. Okay. Bye.
They are bringing one
in the Kolland each stroking. Rice and beans and sugar and oil. For me, water is enough. Måske har du bedre syn. Okay, I will for memories. Okay.
Hapa hajakijaza.
Hapa dia wewe.
Bana hao.
Mama. Unaenda huko unapika pale. Pale, alafu mwingine tutapata mimi.
The rest, your job.
Okay.
Okay. Flour and detergents is enough for us. Thank you. Alishka. Alishka.
Yeah.
Great for Brazilian.
But now we got.
Thank you.
No hotel.
What?
Just come to stay here.
Yeah, this is also very nice.
Welcome inside.
This is also very nice. Yeah.
Someone to take video or picture because she looks good.
Okay.
Come.
Oh, she's right there.
Yes.
Wow. Very nice.
Thank you for coming. I want to see another day this girl, okay?
Inshallah.
I wish that someday you are coming again. I hope you enjoy it.
Yes, I love
Asuna
it.
matata.
It was delicious.
Yeah?
I liked it a lot.
Okay. So welcome again.
Thank you.
Labda angaiwe.
Unalala hapa hivi. Unalala jifu. Kuna vikapu na lete basi. Niwape.
This is African air conditioning.
This is African air conditioning.
Habari gani?
Nzuri sana. Wageni.
Wote
Karibisha.
Zanzibar yetu.
Hakuna matata. Hakuna matata. Karibisha.
Zanzibar yetu.
Hakuna matata. Karibisha.
Zanzibar yetu.
Hakuna matata.
Jambo la kupendeza.
Hakuna. Hakuna matata. Jambo bwana. Cha. Matata. Hakuna matata.
Thank you so much. We can take picture together also.
Thank you.
Okay. Jamani sogeni hapa wadogo nyote.
The kids, their books. Okay. So this is going to be the madrasa.
Watoto kaeni kitako kule.
Oh yeah, it's very hot, but it's good work. Up the books. I don't know if it's a good idea to keep my number in the front. People ask for more
Det kan du da ikke sige. Ikke når de forstår sproget.
Jirani mbaya.
Are you waiting for us?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We
Bye
bless
bye.
today for everything.
Thank you.
So today we have
Bye bye.
Inshallah. Thank you for going around your village and for the food. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you.